Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of botany to explore some of the strangest trees and plants you won't believe exist. From the sun-scorched deserts of Africa to the steamy rainforests of Borneo, our planet is teeming with an astonishing array of plant life. Many of these species have developed incredible adaptations to survive in their unique environments, resulting in forms and behaviors that seem almost otherworldly. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us to the savannas of Africa, home to the majestic baobab. This iconic tree, with its enormously swollen trunk, is a true marvel of nature. Reaching heights of up to 100 feet and a circumference of over 160 feet, the baobab is a symbol of longevity and resilience in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. It's no wonder that local communities revere the baobab, often referring to it as the tree of life. Our journey now takes us to the Socotra Archipelago, a remote island chain off the coast of Yemen. Here, amidst the arid landscape, grows the dragon blood tree. Its striking umbrella-shaped canopy is a testament to its unique adaptation to this dry environment. But the true wonder of this tree lies within its crimson sap, known locally as dragon's blood. For centuries, this resin has been prized for its medicinal and dye-making properties. Our next destination is the Namib Desert, one of the oldest and driest deserts on Earth. Here we encounter a true botanical marvel, the welwitschia. This extraordinary plant appears almost alien with its two long, leathery leaves that sprawl across the desert floor. What makes the welwitschia truly remarkable is its incredible lifespan. Some individuals are estimated to be over 2,000 years old, making them some of the oldest living organisms on the planet. Chapter 4. Rafflesia arnoldii, the corpse flower's macabre beauty. We venture deep into the rainforests of Southeast Asia to encounter a botanical giant, the Rafflesia arnoldii. This parasitic plant produces the largest individual flower on Earth, a monstrous bloom that can reach over 3 feet in diameter, but be warned, its beauty comes at a price. The Rafflesia emits a powerful odor, often described as resembling rotting flesh, to attract the carrion flies that pollinate it. Chapter 5. Venus flytrap, nature's ingenious trap. Our exploration takes us to the wetlands of North and South Carolina, home to a plant with a taste for insects, the Venus flytrap. This carnivorous marvel has evolved a remarkable mechanism to supplement its nutrient intake in nutrient-poor soils. Its modified leaves form a trap, lined with sensitive hairs that trigger when an unsuspecting insect lands upon them. Snap! The trap closes, sealing the insect's fate. Chapter 6. The corpse flower, a symphony of stench. We return to the rainforests of Sumatra, home to another botanical celebrity known for its pungent aroma, the corpse flower, also known as the Titan arum. Like its colossal cousin, the Rafflesia, this plant relies on the allure of decay to attract pollinators. When in bloom, the corpse flower unfurls a massive, fleshy inflorescence that can tower over 10 feet tall, releasing a powerful stench reminiscent of rotting flesh. Prepare to be dazzled as we travel to the rainforests of New Guinea, home to the rainbow eucalyptus. This tree is a living work of art, its bark a canvas of vibrant colors. As the bark peels away in strips, it reveals a spectrum of greens, blues, oranges, purples, and reds, creating a kaleidoscope of color that seems almost unreal. Our next encounter brings us face to face with the sensitive plant, a species found in tropical regions around the world. This fascinating plant showcases a remarkable defense mechanism. Its delicate leaves are incredibly sensitive to touch. At the slightest brush, they fold inwards, giving the plant the appearance of wilting. This rapid movement is thought to startle potential predators and minimize leaf surface area for grazing. Our journey takes an unusual turn as we delve beneath the surface to encounter the Hydnora africana, a parasitic plant found in southern Africa. This plant spends most of its life cycle underground, attached to the roots of its host plant. But when it's time to reproduce, the hydnora emerges from its subterranean dwelling, revealing a fleshy, flower-like structure above ground, and just like the corpse flower, it uses a pungent aroma to lure in its pollinators. Our exploration of carnivorous plants continues as we venture into the rainforests of Southeast Asia, home to the pitcher plant. These botanical predators have evolved a clever strategy to capture their prey. Their leaves form deep pitcher-like traps filled with digestive fluids. Insects lured by the plant's sweet nectar slip on the slippery rim of the pitcher and fall into the pool of digestive enzymes below. Prepare to step back in time as we encounter the monkey puzzle tree, a living fossil found in the temperate rainforests of Chile and Argentina. This ancient conifer gets its name from its unusual spiky foliage, which is said to puzzle even monkeys attempting to climb it. With its prehistoric lineage, the monkey puzzle tree offers a glimpse into the Earth's botanical past. Our journey takes an eerie turn as we encounter the ghost plant, also known as the Indian pipe. This unusual plant lacks chlorophyll, the pigment that gives most plants their green color. Without chlorophyll, the ghost plant cannot produce its own food through photosynthesis. Instead, it survives by forming a parasitic relationship with certain fungi, drawing nutrients from their network. Its ethereal white appearance adds to its otherworldly charm. We return to the arid landscapes of Australia, where we encounter the bottle tree, a symbol of resilience in the face of drought. This tree has evolved a remarkable adaptation for survival in arid environments. Its swollen trunk acts as a massive water reservoir, allowing it to withstand long periods of drought. The bottle tree is a vital source of water for both wildlife and indigenous communities in Australia's outback. Our exploration of carnivorous plants continues with a visit to the sundew, a glistening predator found in bogs and wetlands around the world. The sundew's leaves are covered in sticky, glandular hairs that glisten like dewdrops in the sunlight. These hairs secrete a sticky mucilage that traps unsuspecting insects. As an insect struggles to free itself, the sundew's leaves slowly curl inward, further ensnaring their prey. Our journey takes us to the rainforests of South America, where we encounter the cannonball tree, a botanical marvel with explosive fruit. This tree produces large spherical fruits that resemble cannonballs, hence its name. When these fruits mature, they fall to the ground with a resounding thud, sometimes even said to explode on impact, scattering their seeds far and wide. Our next stop takes us to the deserts of South America, where we encounter the silver torch cactus, a beacon of beauty in this arid landscape. This cactus is aptly named for its striking appearance. Its tall, columnar stems are covered in silvery white spines, giving it a luminous glow, especially under the desert moon. The silver torch cactus is a testament to the enduring beauty of desert plants. Our exploration of unusual plants takes us to Southeast Asia, where we encounter the elephant-foot yam, a botanical behemoth. This plant is known for its massive, bulbous base, which resembles an elephant's foot. This underground structure, known as a corm, can grow to be over 6 feet in circumference and weigh over 100 pounds. Prepare to be amazed as we journey to southern Africa to encounter the lithops, also known as living stones. These fascinating plants have evolved a remarkable camouflage strategy to survive in their harsh desert environment. Their leaves are modified to resemble small stones or pebbles, blending seamlessly into the rocky terrain, making them nearly invisible to hungry herbivores. Our botanical adventure takes us to the coasts of Europe and Africa, where we encounter the sea onion, a plant that thrives in salty environments. This unusual plant is characterized by its large bulb-like structure that grows above ground, unlike most onions. The sea onion has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its diuretic and expectorant properties. Prepare for a gruesome sight as we encounter the bleeding tooth fungus, a fungus that's not for the faint of heart. This unusual fungus is aptly named for its appearance. Its fruiting body is covered in pores that secrete a red blood-like liquid. While this may seem unsettling, the bleeding tooth fungus is not harmful to humans. Prepare to be dazzled as we travel to the Philippines, home to the jade vine, a botanical treasure with cascading blooms of turquoise. This stunning vine is a true showstopper, producing long, pendulous clusters of claw-shaped flowers that range in color from jade green to turquoise. The jade vine is a true marvel of the plant world, a testament to the diversity and wonder of nature. Our journey takes a spooky turn as we encounter the black bat flower, a Gothic beauty native to Southeast Asia. This unusual flower is aptly named for its resemblance to a bat in flight. Its dark purple or black petals, which can span up to a foot across, resemble bat wings, while long, whisker-like bracts dangle below, giving it an eerie yet captivating appearance. Our next encounter is not for the faint of heart, as we encounter the white baneberry, also known as doll's eyes. This plant, found in deciduous forests of North America, is both intriguing and unsettling. Its most striking feature is its fruit-small white berries with a single black dot resembling a staring eye. While enticing, these berries are highly poisonous to humans, so admire their eerie beauty from a safe distance. We journey deep into the rainforest, where we witness the silent battle for survival as we encounter the strangler fig. This tree begins its life as an epiphyte, a plant that grows on another plant for support. But the strangler fig has a more sinister agenda. Its roots slowly envelop its host tree, eventually strangling and killing it. The strangler fig is a powerful reminder of the fierce competition for resources in the rainforest. Our final destination takes us to Australia, where we encounter a true botanical celebrity, the Wollemi pine. This tree was thought to be extinct, known only from fossil records, until its rediscovery in 1994, causing a sensation in the botanical world. This living fossil offers a unique window into the past, representing a lineage that dates back millions of years. From the towering baobab to the diminutive lithops, the world of plants is full of wonder, beauty, and sometimes a touch of the bizarre. These strange and wonderful species remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the power of nature to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging environments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.